Let's go do that. You gonna hold my hand? You see the chickens are still in here? And the goats are still there?
Goats. Oh, goats right there.
The goats are right there. Nate, you want to go this way and see the plants? So what do you got in here, Rob? What are these?
This is corn.
Is it going to get this tall this year?
By 4th of July, pretty close. Huh?
Is it going to get this tall by the end of by harvest?
Oh,
or
yeah.
Really? And what about this stuff?
Oh yeah, there's some raspberries. Show them which ones are good, Emmer.
Grapes?
Grapes, they're not ready yet.
Right.
Strawberries.
Down here?
Yeah, more corn over there. Oh yeah, that's ready. Anything red. Anything red like your pants. Yeah, pretty good, huh?
Nate, do you want a raspberry
These are
try?
pumpkins here.
Do they jump into this eventually, Rob, or do you have to like pick them up and?
Oh, no, I mean they'll get anyway if they want. They're just kind of wild.
Yeah.
Pumpkins spread really.
Right.
Here you go, little man. Here you go. Yep.
These
Put it all around.
raspberries are pretty
Eat
good.
it.
Can I go past?
Do you want to try it, Nate, or do you want? What do you think? You like it? Do you think they taste totally different, Rob, than store bought?
No, no.
These ones are definitely
There's
not
no
right.
Chemicals.
chemicals, right? So you at least catch one of them.
Nope.
Probably should have thrown one at a time.
Here, Daddy.
Thinking isn't my best.
Daddy, here. Let me show you. Here you go.
Interesting.
Boy, there are a lot of good ones.
Here, Nate, don't eat that one. Eat this one. Just because it's got dirt on it.
The raspberries.
The goats are like, if only I had an extra long neck.
Well, look at this.
Oh, they'll.
Come over here, you can see as far as they can reach. I used to feel that way too. Oh, hello.
How's it going?
I had an extra long neck. Of course, different neck. But
Sure.
Monday, the dumpster's coming. So, just so you know. Okay, perfect. How you doing?
Great. Nice to see you again. This is a 360 camera.
Oh, no kidding.
So you could put a headset on, or I'll share a link with you on YouTube, and you could just like look all over. It's pretty wild, actually, for how simple it is, anyway.
I'm not on YouTube.
Anyway, it's out there. It's out there somewhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah. You got such a great place. Every time we come, it's super magical.
Thank you. I know that